Alright guys, welcome back to Crypto Jiri. Sorry for the late posts, but a lot of things have been happening around the market as well as some great news. So as you guys can see, Bitcoin did drop a couple times, as we could see, right, over 1,843 pips for the first drop, and then of course the second drop another 1,000. So the reason why is because, of course, there's a lot of sellers in the market. So I use the tool called Stochastic, and basically what it tells you how many buyers and sellers are in the market, as well as where the market's going, if Bitcoin is overpriced and so on. Bitcoin is definitely overpriced as of right now. The only way it was not overpriced was back in the 5,000 range. So this is how much Bitcoin should be actually worth. But, right, a lot of people have got into the market. As well as there is a ascending triangle. So, of course, it's still going to be going down and then moving up gradually, but sooner or later it's gonna for sure bump up to 14,000 or even to 12,000 and then drop down, of course, again. So there's some good news for you guys there. Nothing too crazy, but yeah, Bitcoin's not going to be going anywhere for sure. All right, and then the first news of the day: Chinese government advisors propose regional stablecoin for 4 Asian countries. Top Chinese political advisors have proposed a regional digital currency that would be backed by 4 major Asian currencies, including Japanese yen, Korean won, Hong Kong dollar, and the yuan. So basically, what they're trying to do, Coinbase has already done this. They made their own coin called the USDT, which is, of course, a stable coin for the US dollar. But they're majorly switching to crypto and digital currency as of right now. Who knows if it's good or not. And then the original vision for Libra before the Facebook Spawn project watered down its plan and pivoted to developing digital versions of digital fiat currencies. So maybe there are a couple of people from Facebook working with them, which I wouldn't be surprised. And the PBOC and top Chinese financial watchdog, China Security and Regularity Commission, recently put forward a slew of new measures to reform the financial system. Blockchain application for improving international finances services in this area. Chinese government came out to an initiative to further integrate the Guangdong province with Hong Kong to build a stronger financial connections between these cities and the mainland. The initiative encourages banks. Okay. So, all right, good news for China as well as the crypto space. But of course, right, who knows what they're really trying to do with their top Chinese, like who's going to be like the best stable coin, right? So who knows how that's going to work out. And then, of course, a lot of you guys should know or may know, finance in the real economy can't stay out of sync forever. So basically what that means is the market shouldn't be looking like this with 38.2% of unemployment, as well as people not having jobs, business being closed. All these markets shouldn't be where they should be. We should be in the zeros and the lows. But of course, right, feds are printing money and giving all that money to basically hedge fund investors as well as big, huge corporations just trying to buy their own stock, which pumps up the price, which is not a good thing, right? But that's going to hit a lot of investors in the stock market back, as well as there will be some sort of crash for sure. But let's keep going. So Jill Carlson, and Coindesk columnist, is co-founder of the Open Money Initiative, a nonprofit research organization working to guarantee the right to a free and open financial system. She is also an investor in early-stage startups with Slow Ventures. So over the last 3 months since the shelter-in-place order was issued in response to COVID-19 pandemic, I've noted a shift in the pace of mainstream life where I live in San Francisco. While the West Coast economic hub never reviled the frenzy of its East Coast equalizations, the city, as I experienced, has also kept the risk rhythm. The San Francisco I've known has always been a city of entrepreneurs on the ground, from coffee shop owners to startup founders. History tells us the same, dating back to the days of the California Gold Rush. Okay, so everyone's basically on their own, which I wouldn't be surprised because it's a very hard time for entrepreneurs right now. Economic time has been stopped, but financial time has not been stopped. So basically what they're trying to say is, well, person who wrote this article is basically, yes, you could stop the economy, but you cannot stop people's finances because they have to pay bills, they have to make money, etc., right? They call it the Twilight Zone this day. But yeah, guys, just a little thinker for you at the end of this video. Hope you guys liked it. Subscribe as well as like the video if you guys want to see more news, as well as please make sure, if you guys are interested in trading or anything like that, there's a free community group chat down in the link description. If you guys want to check it out, we do 7 a.m. calls every morning, just to do trading setups in the foreign exchange market, as well as crypto market, and as well as some futures and some stocks. So hopefully you guys will check it out. And of course, now as always, share the video and keep piling, guys.